Look at this wave, guys. It's big waves. 10 na, 10, 10. 10 ha. Yes, I told you. Apa? You need help? You need help? Baby, you good? You good? Baby, he's drinking. He's drinking. You need help?
Yeah, take it and I'll get on.
No, Austin, you get Austin?
Yeah, put them here.
Look at this. Dawson! Look at this wave, guys. Big waves. Hello, guys. Good. It's almost afternoon here, guys. So, for today's video, guys, we're going to one of the famous water park here in Valencia. It's a Mango Ranch water park, guys. Me and one of our friends are go with us today. It's been a while since I make video, guys. We're gonna busy. We're very busy, guys. Always busy. That's why. So we just have time today. So before we go to this waterfalls, guys, me and one of our friends are meet in the Mexicana restaurant in Valencia. We're gonna eat first lunch, and then after we're going to water park. So see you there.
Hey. Up. You want to go to the water park?
You'll see that you're high. What?
Kami o mga 30 minutes.
No. Kaka-order lang namin.
Ay, ikaw.
11.
Humanagid sila kaon ga. 11 siyan.
Kami dyan, Raka.
Kasi kung may
Hello, so cute.
Yeah, I did. Just one bite. One bite. One bite.
To pay in full.
but they asked for 700K.
That's a lot, bro.
Yeah.
Oh.
For me, as long as everything is okay, I don't care so
Yeah,
much.
no,
I would even pay in full. Like, as long as the lawyers should tell me, okay, it's safe. Because I have to pay anyway. Your papers, your final papers as well.
Not yet.
So it will also be like 1 year or something like that.
Like that.
At least.
So she's the same as us, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama.
Our food is like, wait lang, let me, ano ba na, I already cook, wait lang, lahat, it's very sour, my god.
That's not sour. Wala pang yung sour.
Here, you want to give him some of this?
You know,
Paper pa lang ba? Papa siya kay no, naanaman dira ang kwan mo nya ra. Ako mabalik dira pa kay.
bakit? Lagay siyang price.
Oh, hala sige.
Lagay siyang price.
Giday.
Kao nga, busy man ta.
How come you're so clingy? Huh?
Wait lang, anak.
Look at this. Oh my God.
Have you know?
Sa ako pagkakaon pa ka ano.
Ano ba? Kapoy yung naidag ng mga bata.
Ha?
Kapoy.
Wala pa gani ka na nakasugod no?
Ang say mo ha?
Wanda, mauli ako mga
But then we just ate. I'm not so hungry.
you have to ano because ano
let's have some fun. So Terra Alta is over here, guys. Here's Terra Alta over here, and Mingo Ranch is that way. There you go. Mingo Ranch. Yeah. I thought last time the mango over here, right? We asked for mango, right? Yeah. It's Mingo Ranch. There's Mingo Ranch. Where the park? I guess over there. Wow, it's very nice here, guys. It's my first time. It's our first time here too.
Treehouse.
What? That's treehouse?
Oo. Kasi gusto nila ng treehouse.
Shit, that's too hot. And that's the restaurant over there, guys. I'm not sure. Oh my god, it's so hot. Careful, hey! 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 It's okay. So after we don't need to take off the bands because they're gonna scan it to go out. That's what we saw.
Hala, tingnan mo, oh. May water.
Oh, it's very nice, guys. Oh my god.
Nasakit to, tinanong
It's very... Thanks, baby. Thank you, baby.
Ay.
Thanks, baby. That's good.
Wag. Ano may ano?
Very hot.
Mama, tingnan mo.
Oh, baby, look.
Ano?
Go slow, okay? You know your mama. Where's the entrance?
Over there. Sige, naunara mo dito, day. Tapos ko mula to.
Ang sakit.
Do you need to wait, Wim?
Okay.
Entrance closed.
No, we're fine here. They have a changing clothes over there too.
Unara mo dito, day. Masunod rin.
Huh?
Sunod rin.
She said that we go first and then they
Hello. Say hello, baby.
Hello.
Sus po ka fresh and dye oil. Nice kayo ang Nice kayo ang
Paano
sino
pa
ka
tayo?
ng pang-pang.
Patay mo ka, baby.
Pang-pang ba? Lift?
Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Hoy, Kian ha?
So we already have some
Look, oh, look the
fun.
nature, oh.
Mango Ranch.
Yeah, very nice.
Hey, 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 shit. Kining ako kay di ni mas. Delan.
Kian ha? Don't touch Daylan
Ay, okay
ha?
lang sa.
Ang ako si diin siya kasaligan ko.
Nice ka ayo, oh.
Here. Go stand by the Mango Ranch Airport. Picture.
Oh, okay. So guys, let's continue walking.
Hot.
Cause
Hot.
it's far. We park over there and then
Sakit ng manok.
look like in the back of the restaurant is where is the water park.
That is the water park.
So here's our friends over there.
Dub.
That is open.
It's open, baby.
That's open?
Everything is open. But wait.
It's bigger. The sun is bigger. Hindi mo wala? It's hot. Hot,
It
hot,
is
hot,
very
hot.
hot.
Hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. Baby is free. Diba, baby is
Plastic bag man, Jordan.
free? Baby is free.
Asa man na ining ilang?
Slides are not working. So normally with water. Yeah, they are open.
Yeah.
Maybe not. I'm not sure. Oh, they have time. You know, they have time. And what is this over here?
Baka mag-iikot tayo.
A camp.
Wow.
Look at that camp. Wow. It's over there, guys. It's a camp.
Tubig, dabang.
Parking is over there.
Hey, they have parking. I'm guessing, guys, over there. Did you see that?
Ako ganing giingnan si ko. Use No, the security guard said that, oh mom.
But he did not know where we were, where we going to go in.
Mama, saan tayo nakago?
We need to walk.
Walk, 1,000?
Watch out, kid.
1,000.
And this is here, guys, is the what called is this? What called is this? A racing? Racing. Ay! Racing car over there. There's my boys. So eventually, this is the ADVs over there.
Let's go with the quads for a walk.
No, no, the pool. Huh? Oh shit! I thought it's here. Dili di ay? Oh my god. So guys, we already find the entrance. My god. So look at this. Okay, okay, I'm tired. Whoop. Oh my god. Where's the ano? May bayad na ba ni? Pininggamay? Oh, hi. Oh, Dylan. Oh, look like na. Yeah. Dylan, come here. Hide yourself. Oh, Austin's already. Oy.
Sorry, buddy.
How about you?
This was not very tall.
Alice. Go, go.
Here, baby. Come
Hey,
here.
hey, hey, look. Obey your mama. Oh, mama, hey.
Go to mama.
Come here.
Hi, it's free. Here, go.
I know, I guess it's okay. He's
That's free. I can see it.
pilain yung entrance.
300.
Pick it up, anak.
200 pesos and rescue.
Oh, yeah. That's not food. You scared me, little one.
We have inside the water park circle. Yes.
Baby, oh.
Inside the water park, sir, there is 5 pools, but unfortunately, the one pool is not working right now. The lazy river, only 4 pools is available.
Ah, okay, that's good.
Slides open. Yeah, slides are fine. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the little river is not yet open.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
3.
3.
One of those days.
I thought the entrance is over there. We walk over there, go down. That's why we're sweet.
Kay i-transfer yan ng
Bike.
yung motorbike.
So the entrance, guys, is there above.
Right hand is much better. Machine is on the right.
Hoy! Hoy! Ay! Sikin! Makalisa. Nun. Tapon yung mga bata. Sobra.
Let's play and run.
Ay, ibilin ni namo. Gikan ni sa guard ni dito. Ini siya, ibilin na lang.
Change.
Abe. No, here. Ha? Aray ko! No, later. Look at that, guys. Hey! Oh, I know this. This is in the game. This guys is in the game, guys. Who is this? Arthur. His name is Arthur in the game. Kids are very happy. Susan! Hey! Shit! Ah, okay, dili lang. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's start the... Let's start the show. Careful, please.
You have the purse?
Yes, look like it's in you. I saw it.
Patay.
No.
Left it there.
So she forgot the wallet, guys. And this is their souvenir area over here. Look at this, guys. It looks like he's an Arthur, guys, in the game. Wow. I'm fine. You okay? No, I'm do filming. It's fine. Go follow your dad. I do filming. So Wild West Rapids, Mango Ranch.
Yeehaw! Now listen up, folks. We want everyone to have a blast, but we also want y'all to stay safe while doing it. Make sure to follow the posted guidelines for each
Where's
ride
the
and
entrance?
attraction.
Change it. Sunken Bar? Oh, really?
I think we are the only customers. Oh, this place is crowded.
Wow, that's very sexy of you all. So guys, we're already here.
Let's go, Dayla.
Why? Why you? I know it's very hot. You left your slippers. So guys, we're going to take a bath. It's very hot. Guys, this is kiddie pool over here. Hello, it's not deep. It's not deep. Good afternoon, kuya. Oh my God! You need to take off your slipper, ha?
Naka-take off na ako. Ang slipper ko.
Ma. Oh! Ay, oh, wait lang. Hold the camera, Ten. I-face ko, mama.
Mama! Mama! Oh!
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Wait. Wait.
Init. Sobra, kuya, init. Tugsaw sa dire. Huh?
Ah!
Go ahead and slide, Austin.
Slide. Asan? Asan?
Dai, kami.
Ako rin. Ako wagwan ko, guys.
Go, Austin. Go to daddy. Go. Go. It's very hard because... So guys, we're... Oh! So guys, look at that. Oh my god, it's showering. Oh my god, it's raining, guys. It's raining. Look at it. Look at it. Ah! It's raining. Can you hold the camera for me? It's raining, babe.
Is it wet? He just went right there, right there. It's very slow. You can go. All right, go. Okay, sit down. Go, go, go. Here. Let go, Mama. Okay. I got it. I've got it.
Very slidey, huh? You said it's you need help? Very slow.
No, it's fast. By
It's
yourself.
fast. It's fast. Hoy, ayaw!
You want to go again?
No, ayaw. It's scary a bit.
Alright, we'll take him over there.
You okay? Scary, huh? Huh? You sure? Baby, I'm scared of it.
No, it's okay. Come on.
Day, ilan taon ko kadi? Day, ilan taon kong dilan? Uy, babe, where is Austin? Baby. Where is Austin? You sure, babe? I'm scared. Oh my God. No.
I've already went.
How you, ano?
Just
This guy?
take your hand in. Let me take it. You gonna go or you want me to go?
You go first, okay? No, later, daddy first.
He's already been, but okay. Checking. That was pretty fun to me.
Austin, over there. Kusog no, makalisang. So guys, we're gonna slide again. I'm scared, guys. I'm very scared. Look at this. Wow. Did it go? My God. You go first. You go. You go first. Namubo ka man, sige, go. Abem yun.
I've already did it. Come on, Mary.
I hear. Okay, you already. Ano naman di ay? Again. Bilihan?
Yeah, you do this.
Orang mamatay. Ano dito? Kanang mag-anak daw. Oh, mag-anak nga. Anak na? Oo. Agoy, ako kay careful hatin kay nabe lawom dito ha. Careful, yes. You good, Daddy? See, we can later, baby. We can go over there. Yeah, take off your slippers. 10 ha, careful 10 kay deep. Keep your slipper, baby. Hey. No, here. Hey, your slipper, Dylan. Hold the camera, my love. Oh, that's warm. Wow. Very cool. Take me with you. Hello. Very nice of me. Wow. Careful, ha. Careful pa yan. Oh my God, the wave is starting, Austin.
Yeah, he started the waves.
Dylan, careful, move over there. Ah! Careful, Austin. Then, look at that. Go over there. I told you to. Guys, we have a big waves over here, guys. 10. 10 din, ha? Oh, no. It's already on. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to my. Okay. You take a bye. Bis, ako kadlukan og mabunggo ta ba no? Okay na day. Ako kadlukan og mabunggo ta. Medyo ano siya no, medyo law-law to dito kaysa dire. No? Ha? Ha? Look at this wave, guys. It's big waves. 10 na, 10. 10. Yes, I told you. Papa. You need help? You need help? Baby, you good? You good? Baby, he's drinking. He's drinking. You need help?
Yeah, take it and I'll get out there.
No, Austin, you get Austin?
Yeah, put them here.
Look at this. Go, Austin! Look at this wave, guys. Big waves. Hi, Dylan! Dylan! Come here! What's happened? Oh, what's happened? What's happened? Hi! Guys, gabi yung swimming pool, guys, umaalon parang nasa dagat. Hey, 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 hey! Go! Oh, Ken? Oh. Hoy, did you bring your leftover? Oh, okay, good. I thought you forgot.
Ah, Daddy! Daddy!
10. Daddy go. It's scary a bit, you know?
Pero mag-enjoy ka lang.
Oh, sobra. Careful lang. Ay, no pushing, no pushing. No flashing. Ano daw?
Ako singit.
Yeah, later. No, don't bring him. Maybe he's... that's very scary. Maybe lang. Where you going? Not yet full. Huh? No, baby. No. Baby, your son.
That one is fast, right? Yeah.
And it's hard for you to slide because you help yourself. Okay. So guys, we're going to the long what called this? Slide. Oh yeah. But baby, I'm guessing maybe it's this is the lazy pool, right?
The lazy river.
Lazy river. That's not yet allowed today. Only 5 they said. Okay. Cowboy owner. Wanner?
Cowboy.
Yes, so. How are you? Are you okay? Did you have fun today? Huh? Yes. One already here. 2 hours something. It's almost 3. It's really good. There is the snacks, baby. If you're hungry, they have also snacks over there. Hot surface. Person, afternoon. Oh, nan, look like it's deep, Austin. You just stay in the no. Look like that. Wow. Okay. Yes, daw. Die, Ken, die ha, die. Die, Ken. Baby, it looks like scare for you. Oh my God, look at that. Oh shit. I'd like to look around. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, don't do that. You wanna go in? No, don't don't pick on. How about you, Em? You want to try that big one? Try lang. Baby, look like the other one, baby, is okay.
Let's go.
I'll try.
Hi, Ken. No, not you, anak, not you, Ken, anak. Ken. What are you doing, slipper? Hello, first. Daddy. No. Why it's not allowed, kids over there? It's not allowed to go. Okay. Say hi. Say hi, guys na. Say na kayo para marami tayong views. Na hi guys. Hi guys. And how are you guys?
Ay, pwede din ako dito. Mama, tingnan mo ako.
Ken, Ken.
Mama, tingnan mo ako.
Ken, come here, Ken. Ken. Where's your mama, Ken?
Hala, asan si Daddy?
Come here, Ken. Over there.
Ayan o. Hala!
There's... Hey. Malak. Yes! Look at that!
Look!
What's happened? Daddy, you okay? Hey, you okay? That's pretty quick. Why you did not try this one? Why you did not try this one?
I will.
It's scary, huh?
I hit bottom.
Huh?
I hit the bottom.
Oh, you need to be careful. I'm so... Kuya daw, dito ka daw, kuya. Say over here, kuya. Na, go, mommy. Go, mommy. Oh my God, oh my God. You? Me? So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget guys to like and subscribe to my channel guys. Hope my channel. Bye bye guys. See you next time.